Hey there, AI enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of data preparation for machine learning. If you've ever wondered why your AI models aren't performing as well as you'd hoped, stick around. We're about to uncover two crucial steps that could be the game changers you've been looking for: data cleaning and data labeling. First up, we've got deduplication. This is all about removing those pesky duplicate entries that can skew your results. We're talking about using clever techniques like perceptual hashing or embedding similarity to spot and eliminate those repeats. I know you know about it already, but I promise I will break it down well for you to understand better. Let's kick things off with data cleaning. Picture this. You've got a mountain of raw data, but it's messy, inconsistent, and full of duplicates. Cleaning involves identifying these issues and either fixing them or deciding when it's best to skip over problematic data points altogether. Or even segmentation lets outline every single whisker on that cat's face. It's like having a really smart assistant who does most of the work, but you still check over their shoulder to make sure everything's spot on. When it comes to text, we might be looking at sentiment analysis. Is this review positive or negative? If your labels are off, your AI is going to end up confused and make wonky predictions. But with good, accurate labels, that's when you start seeing some seriously smart AI in action. Identifying named entities who's being talked about in this article. Or building spam filters. Is this email legit or junk? That's where cleaning comes in. It's like giving your data a good scrub before feeding it to your hungry AI models. And you're right, it is. That's exactly why we're rebuilding Modelship, a platform designed to automate and simplify this whole process. And build more advanced, focused models without getting bogged down in weeks of script writing or managing armies of crowdsourced labelers. It's like having a data prep superhero on your team. It also applies AI-powered auto-labeling across your images and text. And to make sure those labels are top-notch, there's a human-in-the-loop review process for quality assurance. No manual chaos, no headaches, just clean, labeled data ready to power your AI. It's the best of both worlds, AI efficiency with human precision. Modelship is designed to be the starting point of your AI pipeline. Our goal is simple: make data prep effortless so you can focus on what really matters, building intelligent systems that change the world. So keep learning, keep experimenting, and who knows? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow AI enthusiasts. And hey, keep an eye out for Modelship. We might just be the secret ingredient your AI projects have been missing. Until next time, happy data prepping. Maybe the next big AI breakthrough will come from your newly cleaned and labeled dataset. It's that simple. Clean data leads to faster training times and, more importantly, better results from your AI models. We're building Modelship in public, sharing everything we learn about data, automation, and AI infrastructure along the way. It's like you're getting a front row seat to the development of a game-changing AI tool. It's like giving your AI a clear pair of glasses instead of smudged ones. Suddenly, everything comes into focus. Duplicates? Gone. Weird formatting issues? Fixed. Errors that could trip up your model? Flagged for your attention? Well, this is where the magic happens. Let's walk through the full AI training pipeline to see how it all fits together. So, what exactly does data cleaning involve? This could be images scraped from the web, text from social media posts, or sensor readings from IoT devices, whatever your AI needs to learn from. With clean, labeled data in hand, we're ready to train our model. This is where your AI starts to learn patterns and make predictions based on the information we've prepared. Remember, the next time your AI model isn't performing as well as you'd hoped, take a good hard look at your data preparation process. Are you cleaning thoroughly? Labeling accurately? Following the full pipeline, then comes the cleaning step we talked about earlier, getting rid of all the junk and standardizing what's left. But here's the kicker: if you skip any of these steps or do them half-heartedly, your AI is going to struggle. Do it right, though, and you'll have a model that delivers impressive results. Think about it. If your data is all over the place with different file naming conventions or text casing, your AI is going to have a tough time making sense of it all. Cleaning ensures everything follows the same rules, making it easier for your models to process. Next, we standardize formats, and let's not forget about dealing with corrupted files and missing values. Now, you might be wondering, why bother with all this cleaning? Well, here's the deal: garbage in, garbage out. This is where we give meaning to our data, turning raw information into something our AI can actually learn from. Alright, now that we've got our data squeaky clean, let's talk about the next big step: data labeling. For images, labeling might involve classification. Is this a cat or a dog? Object detection: where exactly is the cat in this picture? Now, labeling can be done manually by humans, or we can use AI to suggest labels and have humans review them. Why is accurate labeling so crucial? Well, these labels are essentially what your model learns from. So, we've cleaned our data, we've labeled it. Now what? It starts with collecting raw data. Next up is labeling, where we add those all-important annotations that give context to our data. Finally, once our model is trained and performing well, we deploy it out into the wild to start making real-world predictions. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds like a lot of work. Modelship is all about giving AI teams the power to streamline their datasets. Here's how it works. You upload your raw data to Modelship and watch as it automatically cleans everything up. But Modelship doesn't stop at cleaning. When all is said and done, you can export a fully prepared dataset that's ready to train your models. Whether you're working on cutting-edge object detectors, the next big language model, or highly specialized classifiers for niche industries. But here's the really cool part: we're not just building tools and keeping all our knowledge to ourselves. So, there you have it, a crash course in data cleaning and labeling for AI, and a sneak peek at how Modelship is revolutionizing the process. With tools like Modelship on the horizon, the future of AI development is looking brighter and a whole lot cleaner than ever before. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the world of data prep for AI, and if you enjoy this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to others. Don't keep it only to yourself. Thank you. Bye.